Guys, it's so good to have you all back again for another video. I'm just gonna get straight into the video today, and today's look is going to be a silver glitter look. So if you're interested in seeing how this look turns out, then you can just continue to watch this video. Alright guys, so from my Sephora Wonderland palette, I'll be taking this dark brown shade that I'll be using to create like a little outline as under where I'm going to do my cut crease. So I'll be going under this line here that I'm creating with this dark brown shadow with my concealer to create a little cut crease situation. Taking that same shade from my Any Lady eyeshadow palette that I use for my transition color to just blend out that line because I don't want it to be too harsh. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, I'll just be cutting that crease just below where I created that line with the dark brown eyeshadow. I'll just be going directly below that with this small smudge brush. I think this is what this brush is called. Yeah, and then I'm just going to fill in the rest of my lid with my fingers with some more of that concealer. Alright, so now from that same Sephora Wonderland palette, I'll be adding this pretty silver shimmer to cover that concealer. I will not be going over the dark line that I created before with it. I'll just be going wherever I placed the concealer. So guys, I did not mean to put this all over my eyelid. I meant to stop halfway, however I accidentally placed it everywhere on one eye, so I ended up having to do it for both eyes, but I'll fix it, don't worry. Okay y'all, so now I'm just placing some of the clear dual glue, that's the one that comes in the green and white package, to place on my eyelids because I'm going to be adding some glitter from this ColourPop palette here. Yes, I'm just using my dual glue to do that. I've seen a lot of YouTubers saying that this stuff works, so I'm just trying out this hack to see if it actually works. So guys, that glitter was a little bit too fine for my liking. It wasn't really showing up on camera, so I decided that I was going to use this silver loose glitter that I have here, and I'll just be placing that over the previous glitter that I used before. So I'll just basically be adding extra glitter into my eyelids because this one I realized that this one shows up more than the one that I used before. Here makeup. I have no idea why I do this. This is just my makeup face. It is my real face. Oh, okay. So I know it's hella funny because I find it funny too. To show this on camera, but what I'm using to set my foundation that my concealer that I use for highlighting is, you know, my trusty Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I love that stuff. The rest of my face with my Sacha setting powder, and I think this one is called spicy something. I think it's spicy. I'll put the correct name in the description area below as usual. Forgot to show what I was using for my blush, so I'll just tell you what I'm using is 2 shades of eyeshadows from that Any Lady eyeshadow palette. I finally get to add my lashes on camera. Alright, so I saw this hack on YouTube. I saw a lot of YouTubers using it, where they use the same dough lash glue, the clear one, with that applicator, and they place it directly on their lash line, and then they place the lash on it. So this works great, guys. So you can try it and share it with your friends, and while you're at it, please share this video. Thank you. same matte setting spray, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Hey everybody, I am back with the finished look. Yeah, let me know what you all think. Tell me how you think I did in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also go over to my Instagram and follow me. I'll be placing that somewhere on the screen here. And as usual, I'll be placing everything that I used below in the description area. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share this video again with your friends and your families and your neighbors, your church brother and your sister, all your contacts on WhatsApp. Everybody here share. And yeah, let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty well. I like the way I look. I feel so cute. Alright guys, bye.